Hello everyone, and welcome to the Data Capstone Project Overview lecture. In this lecture, we're going to be going over the notebook for the 911 Calls Data Capstone Project. Let's go ahead and jump to the Jupyter Notebook to get started. Alright, so here I am at the notebook. This notebook is located under the Data Capstone Projects folder. And for this capstone project, we're going to be analyzing some 911 call data from kaggle.com. And if you go ahead and click on this link, it will take you to the source of the dataset right here, Kaggle. It's actually already downloaded as a CSV file for you, so you don't need to download anything. But just as a quick overview and background of where this data comes from, it comes from kaggle.com. And Kaggle, if you click here on datasets, takes you to this link, and it's basically a place where you can post datasets. There's also a machine learning competition aspect to this website, which we'll touch upon when we talk about the machine learning section of this course. But for now, you can think of it as just a place where people can post datasets. All right, so these 911 calls come from Montgomery County in Pennsylvania, and they contain the following fields: latitude, longitude of where the call took place, a description of the emergency call, the zip code, title, a timestamp, but notice it's a string, not an actual date-time object, and then a township as a string and an address as a string. And then that very last column, E, is just a dummy variable. It's always 1, so you can pretty much just ignore that column completely. And then you're just going to go along with this notebook and try to complete the instructions as best you can. And you can always post the Q&A forums if you get stuck, or you can actually just reference the solutions notebook or video lecture, which comes up next. You'll just go along, import the data, get everything set up, explore the data a little bit through some questions, create new features from the data, do a little bit of visualizations of bar plots, do some linear visualizations, and then you'll actually also create some heat maps. All right. That's it for this lecture. Best of luck on the capstone project. I hope you enjoy it. It's quite interesting. And I will see you at the next lecture where we go through the solutions step by step. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you at the next lecture.